Morning, Steve Frady in Chicago with the morning crane comments. We yesterday saw a pretty steep sell-off of most commodity markets that had rallied in April. Seems like the market's kind of exhaled. Maybe we can blame it on the fact that Argentina weather for the grains is getting better. There's a record amount of trucks now arriving at the ports, and crushers are crushing at a pretty high pace. That might ease some of the tension in the bean market. We also may have seen some reports out of Goldman Sachs. They warned that the stimulus that the Chinese government is pumping into their economy could peak in the second quarter, and that they may not offer anything additional in the third quarter. We saw our first corn deliveries, and we continue to see beans, oil, and wheat delivered, but no meal. We also saw that the Kansas crop tour, the first day's wheat yield across the northern part of Kansas was 47 bushels per acre. Last year, that same tour had 34. As we get into the USDA report May 10th, I think that issues that people are going to be watching for, number one is what are they going to say about the U.S. corn, soybean 16 and 17 carryouts? Number two, what will they say about the Argentina and Brazil crop numbers? Number three, what will they say about next year's China soybean imports, and what will they say about their corn stocks? Number four is the winter wheat crop estimate, and number five, just what they'll say about world wheat ending stocks next year. We also noted the funds yesterday, big sellers of beans. They sold 20,000 corn. They were big sellers in the wheat, and so they're kind of taking back some of what they've added in the month of April. 6 to 10 days suggests below normal temps and normal rains across most of the Midwest, and it's hard to imagine that the market can rally with that type of forecast this time of year. So maybe we'll step back closer to the $10 area on July beans. We'll watch for the Chinese announcement on the reserve program. Maybe 360 is an objective on the downside of July corn. We also noted that the technical side of the market seems like it's offering some signals for some of these longs to get out of the marketplace. So we'll be watching all of the financial markets, we'll be watching the weather, and we'll be watching the USDA May 10th report. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.